Okay, time to turn on the black light. Yan.
It's relaxing.
See, this one, oh, it's so dirty. I want this clean. Yeah, this one is so nice and clean, ah. Oh, there's a plant up there. Wait, let's take it out. Can you remove that? The leaf na mahaba.
That's a stem na already.
Oh, then just dump it here.
Ito?
Yeah. Wow, ang ganda ng mollies.
They're blue, no? Bluish.
Because
Under
of the
the
light, yeah. Pero, is it really, baka it's just the same, kaya lang we're lucky kasi it's big na.
You groomed it to be that.
Nice.
Parang they had the right nutrition.
Oo nga. Pero by chance, yan no, buntis na buntis.
Yeah. They're supposed to be like that. Parang lahat na naiwan males. That's the only female left.
So we hope that
They're protecting naman.
Yeah.
Matapang sila, no?
Medyo, yeah.
Yeah, they're always looking over the female.
They know that that's their only hope.
Meron isa.
Are you alive pa?
It's really fat.
Yeah, but why is he floating?
Is it okay?
I don't know. It doesn't look okay. Buhay pa kaya?
No, it's still alive. It's really fat.
Busog na busog. Pero, shouldn't